Bill Saxton. Woo! Hey, yeah, that's good. Bunch of imposters.
Sorry. There we are.
Yeah. Hi. I want to introduce these wonderful musicians. On the drums we have Mr. David Mead. David Mead. You don't clap, he's not going to play. He's a very sensitive musician. The song I was trying to think of was Sweet Love of Mine. No. So I got the music anyway. All right, we're going to open up with a tune entitled This I Dig of You. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, they were in Tunisia, and that's where it came from. Bill's place and where these musicians are from, you know. I think, Anthony, you're from Long Island, right?
Queens.
Yeah, he's from Queens. He's a king from Queens.
Like Chester.
Yeah. And our drummer, Dave, he's from Oakland, California. You know. Dad has to get him out there. Born in Harlem Hospital, you know, raised in Harlem, you know. First heard music in Harlem, and the only place you could get your drink on was in the speakeasies and underground places. The original owner of this place was a lady named Tilly Phipps, who came from Philadelphia with $3 back in 1929. If you had $3 in 1929, you went to bring music in Harlem, you know, where I was born and raised, and make something happen. If you want something to happen, you gotta do it yourself, right? Right, that's what.